Hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial. I love you so much. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install CCTV camera in your Android phone and also connect it to your home, your rooms, so you can be tracing each and every activity that is happening in your home. So what you need to do, you need to have your Android phone or smartphone, so you can be installing it in your any Android phone or any smartphone, maybe iPhone also can do it. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel, no Max TV, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn on the bell button so as you get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. What you need to do, you need to come here and go in your Play Store here and download this application, which is called CCTV Camera. So CCTV Camera, as you can see here, I'm going to search CCTV Camera. Yes, type CCTV Camera here. CCTV Camera. So after typing this, I'm going to click enter on my Android phone so I can bring the search result for this. After this, I'm going to see this application. As you can see here, there are various CCTV cameras up here, and I see they are already installed on the various devices. You can choose to click here on this. As you can see here at the top, there is the one app which is CCTV camera installed in my phone, and you see this CCTV or camera recorder, and you see our freedom security camera. So we're going to use today is this one, which is CCTV camera recorder. What you are going to do, you are going to download this app in your Android phone, and you can see these details. Once you want to see the details for this application, you see now is installed by 1 million plus people, and you can see it's rated for 7K reviews, and you can see here are videos that are recording what happening on around the home, and you can see these images that will be being displayed on your Android phone once you choose to track by using this CCTV camera. So what you need to do, you need to click install. If you didn't install it, you need to click install as you install other software. Commonly you see is installed in my phone, but you need to click install this software on Android phone. Once you have already installed this software or this app in your Android phone, you are going to click open this app. Also it is going to start opening itself, or you can also decide to come here and open this software through your desktop or through your phone desktop. Now what can I, as you can see this app now, I can click here and open it. So once you can see now it is opened, what you can need to do, you can come here and start by exploring the setting option of this app. When I click these settings, you are going to see various options for this app. What I need to do, I need to come here on these settings. On these settings of this app, you can see privacy policy, you can see version, you can see share app also, and you can click on this privacy policy of this app to explore about this information or this app now. So nowadays it can be collecting the information of Google Analytics, Flurry, Google Play, and others. The information includes device information, as we are recording this. Some rooms we are taking some information through our camera, means we are going to get recorded for your phone information. Also, they are going to take unique application numbers. Certain services include unique application number, list number, information about your installation. So it may be about your installation, where you have installed the camera that is going to be connected with your phone or other thing else. So now let's start showing you how you can use this camera to record. So what you need to do now, you can choose to open this. As you can see, there is a record video and there is hidden camera. and you see my record video, and you see settings here. As settings you have explored already. What you need to do, you can click on hidden camera. So once you click on hidden camera on Android phone, you are going to see various options. As you can see here, they are saying that you can detect spark and detect what and what in Android phone. After doing this, you can come back and also record video. Once you decide to record video, it is going to start recording the video on Android phone. You see they are giving you they are telling you to tap the icon below to record, or you can see the timer here. Here is a timer that can be timing for this time to set up for automatically record. Means that this can record this time 11. Now it is 11, and duration of the recording is 5 minutes. Now you can also edit and from 5 to minutes, and continue 40 minutes, is means 60 minutes to 1 hour. So once you set 1 hour, means that your camera is going to record 1 hour. So now you see, now there is a user camera back, and you can choose to use a front camera or back camera. As you can see here, now when I choose to use, it is using a back camera, but I can choose to I can decide to use now front camera. Once I choose front camera, now it is going to record by using front camera, that one we use to take selfie for our settings. So, and at the top you can see settings for these my videos or these recording videos. Here you can choose the video setting for this, and the recording duration, as you can have seen, you can change this recording duration to no limit for this recording duration. It means that you want to record and record until you come and stop it manually. Once you don't stop it manually, it is not going to stop recording. So I can click here and call that no limit. So orientation, you are choosing the orientation. Maybe it's in 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 217 degrees. So you set according to your precising or you are expecting video from that video which is going to be recorded from a phone. And you can also come here and what about audio source? I want to record audio source by using microphone, by using cam recorder, or by using the default. So I can choose to record audio by using microphone of your Android phone. It is better because it is going to give you natural sound or natural sounds of what is happening in your rooms or at your home. So what you need to do also, you see that now this is a video camera, and you can choose to use a front camera or back camera as you want. And you can also check here free storage. Once you want to check free storage, you can check this silence record. Video will have no sound, it could save your video size. So now you can also record silently without having sounds of what was happening, and you can tick this. Once you tick this, your video is going to record without showing you sounds. Notification will be shown when recording. So this notification will be displaying at the top of your Android phone when recording if you have checked this option. But if you uncheck this option, notification is not going to show at the top of your Android phone. So it shows at the top of your Android phone because you have also decided to show it, and it is showing you that something is recording in your Android phone. But you can choose to check it and show it, and you can choose to uncheck it. Once these are already done, you can come back here and start recording, or I can come back here and start getting the information from your home now. So what you need to do now, you can come to click to recorder and start here. As you can see, after tapping to recorder, you are going now to tap this option recorder and start recording. Let's start recording and see what is going to be the result of this camera. Yes, I hit it. You see now sound for starting the recording. Yes, you see now I'm recording, but I can decide now to stop this record or by tapping again to this. So I can come back to home page and hide this. You can see that I'm recording now. Now there is notification that the CCTV camera is running on my Apple background, and I can choose to hang this phone there. And once I come back here, so I come back, I will find the video that has been recorded. Now let me stop recording and come back to the normal situation and see whether the video have been saved into my galleries. So what I need to do, I need to come back again and click on this CCTV camera approve. So and open it. Once I open it, I click this option again, which is red option to click click to stop and click this. You see now? Yes, already stopped. What I can do now is to come back there on the home page and go in my files or my photos and see whether the video recorded has been already saved on my Android phone. Let me go back now in my files and see what it has been done. So as you can see in my camera now, or in my Google Photos or in my gallery, there is also something which is like a video of 1 minute, which is about the recorded video. Now what I need to do is to click on this video and play it, so I can see that it is going to show me all the details that I have recorded in my Android phone by the CCTV camera. As you can see now, it is playing. So and you see now when I was playing this video, I was moving around and around, depending on the image that is there, it is also showing me the details of what have been recorded. So you can see now it is showing me the recorded video. This is because the right, that is where I was recording the recording by using this CCTV camera, but it is going to record each and everything I want, and depending on the right that is in the building, it is going also to record and give you the your information you want to take around your home. So what you need to do, you need to keep your phone there and leave it there, so it is going to take those or images. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell button so as you get notified when we upload new video here at Now Max TV. If there is any question or a suggestion, leave it in the comment section. Thank you very much.